How to fix Clapper app live not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are not able to go live on the Clapper app, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're using the latest version of the Clapper app. To check, you can head over to Play Store or App Store. Now search for Clapper app. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Once that is done, open your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Then from the list of applications, tap on Clapper. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Here, go ahead and tap on Clear Cache. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now tap on Force Stop. Tap on OK. Once that is done, you simply want to restart your device. After you have restarted it, open the Clapper app and check if your problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.